Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can turn on and off the vanish mode on Instagram direct messages. So go to the direct message section and select the direct message that you want to turn on the vanish mode, and then you're just going to swipe up to turn on the vanish mode. Seen messages will disappear when you close the chat, and then if you want to turn it off again, you're going to swipe up again until this button shows up, and then it'll go back to the just the normal direct message. And that's basically it. It is super simple, but I do hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.